Hi, you're right. This is a very quick video to revise direction with you. So if you get asked to find the direction, you're going to be thinking about these cardinal points of north, east, south, and west. And remember the acronym NEVER EAT soggy Weet-Bix if you get stuck. There is also additional direction points which give more specific information. So if it's on a diagonal, it could be northeast, southeast, southwest, or northwest. So you do need to know this direction compass in your mind for your test. You won't be provided with one, so it's best to remember the acronym, NEVER EAT soggy Weet-Bix, and then you can figure out the direction from there. And if you do get stuck in your test, just draw the little compass for yourself. It can be a big help. Let's go through some examples. I've just found this very simple map. For your test, you'll probably have a more detailed one, but this is just a very simple example for you. The main thing with direction is the wording of the question. They can be worded differently, so you have to read them really carefully. The first one says, what is the direction of the lighthouse to the hot air balloon? So because it says the lighthouse going to the hot air balloon, we're going to start at the lighthouse and we're traveling to the hot air balloon. So the direction we would be going from here to here is down and to the left. So that is southwest. So A would be SW, southwest. B, the windmill to the school bus. So once again, we've got to. So that means we start at the windmill, which is here. So the windmill to the school bus. The school bus is up here. So we're actually going up and to the left. So we're going northwest. So the direction for B would be northwest, and you just write capital N, capital W. C is a little bit different. It says, what's the direction of the aeroplane from the boat? So the from is really important here. Instead of saying to, it says from. So we actually have to start from the boat, which is here. So we're starting from the boat and we're going to the aeroplane. So it's kind of the reverse. So from the boat, the aeroplane is northwest. So you'd write capital N, capital W. D is the same, the camping ground from the quarry. So we have to start from the quarry, which is here. So from the quarry, going to the camping ground, we're pretty much going straight west to the left there. So the answer would just be west, capital W. They were just a few examples. I hope that makes sense. If you need some more help, please feel free to ask me.